Hi everyone, I'm Sio from One Stop Solution. In this video, I will show you how to change name on Duolingo. Updating your name on Duolingo keeps your profile personalized and up to date with your current information. So let's get started. First, open the Duolingo app on your device. Tap on the three dots icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. From the menu, tap on the profile option. Now, tap on the settings option from the top right corner. Tap on the profile option. Here, you can see your current name. Clear your current name and enter the new one that you prefer. Finally, tap on the return button on your keyboard to save the changes. And this is how you can change name on Duolingo. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.